Many platform-based companies engage in user mobilization, rallying support from their customers or end users to influence government regulation and public policy. This approach differs from traditional lobbying, where corporate insiders directly target politicians and regulators. But how effective is corporate user mobilization as a political strategy? And what unintended consequences might it create? A study of platform-based companies in the U.S. ride-sharing industry, including Uber and Lyft, provides important insights. Researchers found that corporate user mobilization is a double-edged sword. While it increases the likelihood of platform legalization, it can also result in more restrictive regulation. When ride-sharing firms sought to rally support for their products, they inadvertently drew greater public and media attention to the industry. This spotlight not only amplified their message, but also surfaced safety concerns that had not been widely recognized. In response, legislators felt compelled to impose new regulations in the name of public interest. Moreover, user mobilization can sometimes backfire. End users may go rogue, pushing agendas beyond the company's original intentions and creating additional regulatory scrutiny and headaches for the firm. Researchers found that user mobilization is most effective when corporate and public interests are aligned. Under these conditions, firms can more easily galvanize support of users, transforming customers into a powerful source of political leverage. Curious about how effective user mobilization really is? If so, you may want to read this paper.